Hey, how are you? I've just been on the phone with somebody that reached out through LinkedIn. They said, hey, I'd love some more information about the lead bundle offer, adding 100K in revenue thing that you've got going. I said, no problem, send it to you. But I just picked up the phone and had a chat with them, just to see how the business is going, touch base. And they said one thing that nearly every service-based business I talk to says, and they say that business is going well, there's ups and there's downs, and most of our business is from word of mouth, but I don't have a system for getting that. And I think you're probably in that same boat as well. You get a lot of word of mouth business. A previous client shares, somebody else calls you and says, hey, you did work for Jenny. I do that. And you're all in the same boat. So the problem here is this: your business relies on a word of mouth opportunity creator, but you have no control over the word of mouth. So none of you have a system or a process for actively getting word of mouth introductions, opportunities, referrals. And this is a problem because basically you're in a reactive lead gen world and you're just waiting for leads to come in. There's nothing you're doing to generate those, which means you can't control the tap. And I see that as a huge problem. I'm not a sit back and wait kind of guy. I'm a let's get in and make something happen kind of guy. So I always want to be able to go, how can I get more leads for my business? What do I need to do? And inside our community, we work actively with people to make sure they have a plan on how they're going to, what steps and actions they actively need to do to generate the leads they want. The beauty of this is it's repeatable. It's easy. You're not thinking, how am I going to get leads? How am I going to get leads? You just follow the plan. And more importantly, it works. And they just get leads and leads and leads. Now, it's all not happy sales. I'm not saying it's a silver bullet solution by any stretch, but it's simple. And I try and keep things really simple. So I think if you're in this boat, reach out. If you want to come to our lead gen training that we're running, reach out. If you're interested in the bundle, reach out. But the end point for you is whatever state your business is, you can probably get more word of mouth referrals and introductions or opportunities if you start creating them. That means creating a word of mouth system for your business that allows you to proactively do things on a consistent, regular basis to get more opportunity for your business. It's as simple as that. Let me know how you go implementing, or if you just reach out. If you need a hand, reach out. Otherwise, have a cracking day.